In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix slow keyboard response in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. In a few moments, you will be navigated to the settings window. By the way, you can also press Windows key and the I key together in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Now here are the settings. Please wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Okay. And once everything are set, navigate directly to the left pane where you can see an option called accessibility. Click on it. And here at the accessibility, you need to scroll down and proceed to the third component, which is interaction, and proceed to keyboard. So this is a very important window where here you need to ensure that this sticky filter and toggle keys are being turned off or disabled. So navigate to the switched option and turn it off. Okay. If in your case it is the on, turn it off, turn it off. Okay, and once done, close the window and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second method. The second method in order to fix the problem, which is a slow keyboard response, is press Windows key and R key together, and then that way you would be able to bring up a small window called Run. Here, please type for Control Keyboard. Again, type for Control Keyboard and hit OK to continue. In a few seconds, you will be able to bring up this keyboard properties where here under the character repeat, make sure that the repeat rate is fast. Okay. It is either nearby fast or fast. Okay. Once done, click on apply and then okay. The third method that you can do is here at the button search bar, you need to type for CMD. And once you have typed it, please wait until you can get to see the command prompt system and run it as administrator. So please click on it and you will get a notification where your user account control would to continue. Just please proceed with yes so that you will be able to run the command prompt system. So before you proceed, you need to navigate to the description box below. You will be able to see a command there. All you need to do is you need to copy it and paste it here. Okay, once you have pasted the DISM.exe space forward slash online space forward slash clean up dash image space forward slash restore health, hit the enter key and wait until this would be done. It might take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. It would depend on the machine that you are having. But please be patient and don't close this window unless you are done. Okay, so don't turn off your computer as well. Leave it open. Okay, and once it is done, restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. The next method that you can do is here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. So here at the device manager, we need to update our keyboard driver or we need to reinstall it. Okay. So here at the device manager, you need to navigate to the keyboards and from here, click on this forward arrow and choose for keyboard driver and make a right click and go with update driver. Now it will ask you to choose two options. Please proceed to the first one and go with search for drivers automatically. And if the machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on this backward arrows so that you would be able to return to the previous page. And please proceed to browse my computer for drivers manually and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers. So in this window, this is where we can reinstall or update the driver. So select for keyboard and click on next and that way you will be able to install, reinstall or update your keyboard driver. It might take some time but please be patient upon waiting, okay? Once done, try to check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So the last solution that you can do is here at the start icon again, make a right click, scroll up and click on device manager for the last time. So here at the device manager, please navigate again to the keyboards and click on this forward arrow key and please choose for your keyboard driver. And from here, okay, let me just close that since I have accidentally opened it. Please make a right click and go with uninstall device and click on uninstall. But that doesn't mean that you can no longer use the keyboard because the moment you've clicked on uninstall, you just have to restart your computer. The moment you've restarted it, it will be reinstalled again in the window. Okay, so check if your problem has been fixed. So those are the very important steps on how to fix low keyboard response. If you think those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.